Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Here I am. Now, it's just me today. And Mia. I don't know why you hide. Everybody expects to see you. This month we have a new glove box.
It's Germany.
I know, that was cool. Give me 5. Yeah. All right, so we're going to open this and we're going to see what's in this month's glove box. This is the month of... What month is it? December. Okay, let's check it. December. What happens in December? Christmas. Oh. Let's check it out.
24 days before Christmas.
How many more days?
24.
No.
24 days before Christmas.
That's not true.
Yes.
Okay, let's check this out. Let's see what's in here. We got paper. All right, pull out the first thing. What is that?
I got
This is
I got 2.
Okay, let's check this out first. Or you want to pull out everything and then go through it?
Everything.
Okay, let's pull out everything and go through it. Here, take this.
I'm getting out everything that I do.
Okay.
What is this?
We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. Now, let's check out and see what we got.
What is this?
First, we'll start.
What the?
It's a drink. This is Viper Patriot Red. This is an energy drink. You can't have this. Okay?
No.
So we'll just put that right there.
Bottle.
Okay. 'Tis the season for new product drops. And this one is extra special because it comes with your very own Glovebox RX line. Meet the Glovebox RX Tire and Wheel Cleaner.
No,
So that's this. Okay?
That's just the bottle.
What?
That's just the bottle.
What are you talking about?
Do you want to see this? This is a braid.
No, watch. It goes like this. So this goes on and like this. You fill it up with water, and then it becomes tire and wheel cleaner.
Can I try it?
Well, there's nothing hooked up to it right now. But you can spray the sprayer. Just don't spray it in your face, okay? Oh, I think it's locked, babe. It's locked. Here. There you go. Yeah, but there's nothing in it yet. So then, what else do we have? We have Mystic Nano Wax. Now, I like Mystic. That's Wizard. Wizard is a bunch of like body shop products. They work really well. Not very known in the industry unless you've been in for a while or if you've worked in like body shop. So, Wizard. We like that.
I'm scrubbing this.
You're scrubbing it? Next, it says we have Armor Detail Supplies Glass Coating.
What is this bottle for?
That's for the wheel coating. So this is glass coating. Now, I am a Glassparency installer. I can do glass coatings for several major brands. We'll see how this differs from any of the others.
What
channel?
The Glove Box.
Subscribe to their channel?
The Glove Box.
Okay. Everybody go subscribe to Glovebox's channel. Let's see if we can find it, though, okay? Okay. This is glass. We'll play with this. Maybe we'll put it on somebody's car just for testing purposes. Next up, we have...
Mine never comes off because mine is new.
Okay. Next up, we have new Glovebox partner, Arrow Tags. With their custom Glovebox reusable air freshener. It says...
Can I smell it?
They smell great and look great on a Christmas tree. Ooh. We can hang it up on our Christmas tree.
It'll smell nice for Santa.
It'll smell nice for Santa? I think that's a good idea.
He'll like it.
Ooh. What do you think? Smell it.
It's amazing. It
You
smells
like it?
oranges.
No, it doesn't. It smells like cool breeze.
It smells like fruity.
No, it smells like the ocean.
The ocean doesn't smell like it. It smells like...
Then we have... If you miss SEMA, don't worry, we brought you home a gift from Koch Chemie. Check out their new Blue Bottle consumer line of products and stay tuned after their acquisition of Carlo Lock. Now, I did get a chance to go talk to the guys. I was only there for a day, but I did get a bunch of cool goodies from Koch Chemie. But this is really cool. Mia loves keychains. This is a keychain. So, Mia, is there anything else you want to talk about?
Towel.
Oh, there's a towel. Oh, then grab the Autofiber Quadrant Wipe Microfiber Coating Level Towel.
Why does it say 1, 2, 3, 4?
So you fold it like this. You fold it into quadrants. This would be, it says 4, but I would use an 8-sided towel. So therefore, you fold it like this. Now this is side 1, side 2. When these get dirty, you flip them around. Now you have side 3 and side 4.
If it gets dirty,
If it gets dirty again, you flip it.
The 5 and 6. If
Yep,
that
so
gets
5
dirty,
and
we
6.
do 7, 8.
Yes, and that makes an 8-sided towel. And that's what we use in detailing.
We do 8-sided tape.
Yep, that way you can extend the longevity of your towel. So,
So it won't get dirty.
what do you think about this product, this box we got this month from Glove Box?
Good.
You like it? What's your favorite part of it so far? You don't know? Oh, the glove box, the arrow tag,
This too. And this
and the keychain. This is gonna be really fun to try out.
too.
Okay, I do like the bottle. It's pretty cool.
This too.
Oh, the applicator? Yeah, we do like the dual-sided applicators. I can't use these anymore though
Why?
because my hands have really started hurting lately.
This one is squishy.
Yeah, but it's too small.
This one is good for me because it's
It would
small.
be perfect for you.
Because it's small.
That's true. But when I use mine, I have to use the pucks from the Rag Company now, or the bigger applicators because my hands have been locking up lately.
My hands are so good with this one.
Yeah.
This one is satisfying.
Yes. So I had to buy anti-vibration gloves for my hands because they've been really bothering me lately. When I went and did the work this week
It
at
smells just like cinnamon ocean.
Cinnamon Ocean.
That's silly.
Yeah. When I went and did the trucks, the vehicles this week, halfway through the vehicle, my hands had already started locking up. So I have to be very careful when I do vehicles now.
So you have to not do the small ones anymore?
No, I can't use the small applicators anymore. Did you drop it? Okay. Oh no, you cut yourself.
But it's not a big one. It's
Mwah.
not bleeding.
No, but still, we have to be careful. This desk right here, it's messing up right there. I have to
Can
fix
you
it.
put
Yeah, I will.
things that are not sharp that could be on the sides of corners on table?
Okay, I will do that. Mia, show everybody your nice shiny shirt that you wore for school today. This is really cool. Today was shiny day, and it goes up and down. It changes color. Look at that. That is so cool.
The star changes.
Don't you think I should get a shirt like that?
Let's have matchy ones.
Oh yeah. Too strong of a hug. Too strong of a hug. Yeah. Oh, that's for our Lego house. We'll put those on. Can you hold these?
I put Mia in the set too. My Lego set.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you everybody for joining us. We really appreciate our glove box. We're very happy.
Really love it. But do you want to see what we had last time in our video?
That's the screwball. That's from the Rag Company. But we
It
will
just
put that
looks
over
like
there.
a blush bottle.
It looks like a. All right.
And you
So
did it on your
thank you for
phone.
tuning in. We really enjoyed our glove box. As always, like and subscribe.
As always.
As always,
I
follow
have-
our channel. Click the notification bell. All those
Hit the
things.
like button too.
Hit the like button. And we will see you soon.
And click the subscribe button down below. So make sure to click the like button up below.
All right. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you later. Bye.